4 to the power a plus 2 to the power a is equal to 20. So find the value of a. How? So easy method. There 4 is equal to, we can write 2 square, and this is a, and there is the 2 to the power a, this is 20, and now this power 2 and a interchange, so 2 to the power a, and there is the square, and there is the 2 square, 2 to the power a is 20. And now we take 2 to the power a is equal to the x, so this is the x square, and this is the x, and 20 is here, this is 0, and now this is x square, and we know this is the 20, so there is x, so we can write the 5x minus 4x, this is the x, and this is the 20. And now there the x take the common, so there the x plus 5, and there is the 4 is take the common, so there is the x, and plus minus, so minus plus 5, this is 0, this is here, and there is the x plus 5, take the again the common, and there is the x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 is equal to 0, so we can write the x value is minus 5, from this is the 0, and x minus 4 is equal to 0, so we can write the x value is 4. This is, so this is the x value, and putting here, so 2 to the power a, this is the first minus 5, this is the 2 is the positive number, and any power of this is positive, but there is the negative, so you can write positive is base, so any power of positive cannot be the negative, so, and there is the no real number, so no real number, so this is the cancel, and 2 to the power a is equal to the 4, so 4 is equal to the 2 square, so we can write a value is same base, so a value is 2, so we take this a value is 2, and verify this, if 4 a value is 2, so 2 square, and this is the 2, so power of 2, so this is the 16, and this is the 4, so total value is 2. This is the proved, so a value is 2 is right. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you. Subscribe for more video.